Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl TandA, as you already know. So yeah, we are making Nigerian EGGROLL today, and I will be delivering to my client by 4 p.m. and this is currently like 8:30 in the morning. I want to carry you guys along with my prepping and everything. I'm going to church today, so I want to prepare before going to church, so that by the time I'm back I'll just do the whole frying and deliver on time. If you're a new subscriber, I'd like to welcome to you, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button, you guys. Do it. I want to say thank you to everyone that has subscribed so far. I want to say thank you to everyone that has been watching. I want to thank you to everyone that has been liking and maybe sharing my videos. Yeah, thank you guys so much, and I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart.
Pour in your flour into a very clean bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of baking powder. Add your sugar as much as you would like, but I used 1.5 cup of sugar. I'm going to mix this together, give it a very good mix, and I would be adding my cinnamon powder. You can also use nutmeg if you have. I forgot to get nutmeg, so I just used cinnamon and it really turned out nice. So you can actually use both if you have. Add 125 gram of butter or margarine, salted butter, and mix it together to make sure that the butter and the dry ingredients mix in very well. Add 2 eggs and mix together until you feel the mixture like crumbs. It has to start feeling like crumbs in your hands before you can start adding water. After mixing well, you're gonna add in water. I added my water in bits and I used just 2 cups of water, but I had to do it in bits so I do not have too much water for my mixture. Continue to knead your mixture. Continue to knead your mixture until you have a very perfect looking dough. Make sure that your dough is not too thick and it is not too thin, and also make sure that your dough is quite stretchy. Yeah, and keep kneading. And I also added butter I rubbed butter on the surface to avoid a crusty looking dough by the time I am ready to finish up. Hey guys, so yeah, I'm back from church and this is what the dough looks like. I already washed my hands, so in case you're wondering, dough is so stretchy and yeah, as it should. So I'm going to start putting in the egg in the dough, the egg that makes it the egg roll, the egg in the roll, and mold it. Make sure that the dough is enough for the egg so that it doesn't pop out. Use your hand to form it well. Form a very good round ball shape, and there you have it. I'm going to keep doing this for the rest. So I already put it in the oil to fry. So this is me doing the last wrap of this egg roll, and I have this much dough left, which means I can actually make 60 egg rolls out of 4 kg of flour. Yeah, so I'll be frying the last batch of this egg roll, and trust me, it came out looking all beautiful. Just take a look at this beauty. Are you not enticed? Let's pack up for my client and go do my delivery. Hey guys, so I'm about to go and deliver the stuff to my client. So yeah, this will be the end of the video. If you have not subscribed yet, I would urge you to please subscribe. Hey girl is begging.